Indian Institute of Packaging IIP KOLKATA Directorate of Trade and Commerce Government of Manipur District Industry Center DIC THOUBAL amadi THOUBAL District Chamber of Commerce and Industry TDCCI ga KHUTSAMNADUNA PANGTHOKPA Numit Nini ki Oiba Branding and Packaging Training Program Ngasi Loisinkhre THOUBAL District ki YVU Campus ta PANGTHOKPA Training Program Loisinbagi thoram aduda THOUBAL District Chamber of Commerce and Industry TDCCI ki President Dr. Sarat Chandra Ningompamna athoiba mithunglen District Industry Center DIC THOUBAL and Kaksing District General Manager Soibam Navakunja Singhna Tharamapu IIP KOLKATA ki Deputy Director Dr. Nilekanti Pramanik AMADI Assistant Director Manipati Madam Mohan Aknaba Mitunglen Singoina Saryaki Grant Thornton gi Gauri Sankar Behera Amadi Manipur Branding gi Branding Consultant Jivan Kundrak Pam Expert Resource Person Oina Wangaki Training Program aduda THOUBAL District Labor Small Scale Amadi Large Scale Food Production Unit Yankai Mukta Matau Karamna Poche Packaging Togani National Amadi International Market ta Yonba Ngamnaba Matau Karamna Branding Togani Haiba Mayek Singh Nataki